In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to choose and use templates in Airtable. Let's jump right in. First, head to the Airtable website in your browser. Once you're there, sign in to your account so you can create and save your work. If you're already signed in, you'll land on your home screen where you can see your existing bases. From the home screen, look for the option labeled Create or Add a Base. Depending on your view, you might see a plus button or a Create menu. Click that to open your options, and then choose Start with a Template. This takes you to Airtable's template gallery, which is a great place to get up and running fast without building a base from scratch. In the gallery, you can browse by category or use the search bar to find something specific. Think about your use case: project tracking, a content calendar, a simple CRM, event planning, and type in a keyword. As you browse, click into a template to see more details. You'll usually find a short description, an overview of the included tables, and the kinds of fields and views you'll get. Take a moment to scan those details so you know whether the structure matches what you need. When you find a template that fits, select it and then click Use Template. Airtable will create a copy for you. Give it a moment to open. You'll see the new base load with sample tables, views, and example records designed to show how things work. Now it's time to customize the template to fit your needs. Start by reviewing the tables along the bottom and renaming them if a clearer title would help your team. Open each field at the top of a table and check the field types: single line text, number, date, single select, and so on, so they match the data you plan to track. If something doesn't fit, change the field type before you start entering information. You can remove example records if you prefer to start clean, or keep one or two as a reference while you set things up. Explore the preset views on the left, like grid, Kanban, calendar, or gallery, and adjust filters, sorting, or grouping so the information shows up the way you want. With the structure in place, start adding and managing your data. Create new records by typing directly into the grid, and stay consistent with field formats so your views remain accurate. As you go, make small adjustments to fields and views to keep everything clear and useful. That's it. You've chosen a template, customized it, and you're ready to track your work efficiently in Airtable.